Hey, it's Matthew here. Some very exciting times right now. It's been a long time coming. I've been coming to Jamaica since 2010, many times. You might have heard me talk about in other videos, you know, it would be cool one day to get a place here and build something. I never really took it that seriously. I mean, it didn't really make sense. I'm only here maybe 8 weeks a year, maybe sometimes a little more, a little bit less, and the cost and how would I manage it and but the time has come where this is actually becoming a reality. So my good friend Peter, who you may know from the famous Longboarder Bar and Grill, which was an amazing restaurant, well loved all over Jamaica and St. Thomas. My friend Peter has had this piece of land. So we had an amazing surf session out that way. We were chatting in the water and Peter was saying, you know, it's kind of a shame I'm putting this place up for sale, but I want to work on another project, and you know, has had the land for a while, wasn't doing anything with it. And the idea came up, what if we teamed up on this project together? You know, I join up with you, we take care of this property together, we build something together, we share the costs. Peter's from here, he knows the area super well, he knows how to build, he's built restaurants, he's built businesses. I do the video thing, the marketing, promotion, and that way I'd have a place to stay in Jamaica I could kind of call my own or ours, and you know, a little place that we can rent out on Airbnb, and Peter can keep the land as well and just join up and team up. So it really came so organic, and I'm just so stoked. I can hardly believe that this is even happening. You know, again, it was one of those dreams that I didn't really take too seriously. It was just a dream, and then it just happened to come up. So anyway, we're gonna take a quick look with Peter at the lot and show you around. It's pretty rough right now. It's literally just a lot, but it's in a beautiful area. It's super quiet, it's super chill, a place where you can experience the real Jamaica. So hopefully one day you can book on Airbnb. But for now, we're just gonna go do the tour. So bless up, thanks for your support, and I hope your dreams come true. Keep on working on what you're doing, and yeah, just try, nothing done. So bless up, let's go check out with Peter. Now before I show you the place, I just want to thank the sponsor for this video, the #1 family history service that is MyHeritage. It's super easy and fun to build your family tree, explore your origins, and you might find some things about your family that you never expected. Even if you don't know much about your family history, like myself, it's got some fantastic tools to help you discover your heritage. MyHeritage can easily find new family members and records of your ancestors with little effort. The site puts 19 billion, with a B, records at your fingertips. This has been so cool for me to explore. I never really knew anyone past my grandfather, and using the instant discoveries feature, I was actually able to add a whole branch of the family tree with the click of a button. And I'm actually able to go back now to my great-great-great-grandfather who was born in the 1700s. It's really easy to add an addition to the family tree. You can even upload old photos in black and white, and it will repair, colorize, enhance, and even animate these photos. So I highly recommend you to start building your own family tree. You never know what you're gonna discover. So please check out MyHeritage for a free 14 days. Just click show more, hit that link below, and you can also get 50% off the package. Thank you, MyHeritage. All right, so we're at the spot. It's still kind of hard to believe. We've been hanging around here, kind of surfing up the coast around all week. It's been fun as hell, and it's still unbelievable that we're at this point, but yeah, I'm here with Peter.
Bless.
Big up, Peter.
What's up?
He's the man who found this place. How long ago? When did you get the lot?
A long time ago, like 15 years ago or something.
Crazy.
2008 or 2007 or somewhere around there, I think.
And how did you end up finding it?
I was surfing out here one morning and started asking around the neighborhood and found out who owned the lot and just made them an offer.
So
yeah,
sick.
Yeah.
So it doesn't look like much right now, but I don't know. It's crazy, man. I can't believe we're doing this.
Yeah.
So 1/4 acre, just about.
Yeah.
And we got a little bit of bush we got to clear. Yeah, it definitely doesn't look much right now, but I don't know. We got big plans, and a low budget to start, but we're definitely gonna do something and maybe scale up as it goes. So it's really I don't know, a blank canvas. But you've spent tons of time around here, right?
Yeah, I used to live down here for a couple of years when I just moved back to Jamaica back in 2015. So I lived down here for 2 years and was surfing out here every day, you know. So it was super fun.
Well, yeah, that's the thing here. I think it shocked both of us how quiet it is in this area.
Yeah, I think this is one of the few places in Jamaica that you can actually sit down and not hear trucks drive by with their like their brakes. I don't know, some kind of brake they take off the truck or something. But I mean, it's pretty loud anywhere else, you know. So it's super quiet, super peaceful down here. I mean, there's literally no noise except the breeze and the waves, you know.
And the big thing, I think, too, they're putting in that new highway. That it's a hell of a time getting around right now, but I mean...
Yeah, well, when that highway is done, I think it's gonna take like basically 20 minutes to get here from Kingston, which is incredible, you know. It will be basically a suburb of Kingston then, which is vastly different to how we are now.
Yeah,
you
totally.
know?
Yeah, it's quite the stretch getting here, but I don't know, should we walk through right on the yard and see what's going on? So yeah, I don't know. I'm used to living in a little 1-bedroom floor of a house in Toronto, so the fact that this thing has so much space is mind-blowing to me.
Yeah.
Like, it's gigantic for me.
I got a tiny little backyard in Toronto that's probably, what is it, 12 feet wide maybe? That's it.
Yeah, definitely got some thorn bush, maca bush to clear out.
Yeah, well, that is why they call the surf spot macas, because this whole beach at one point in time was covered with them, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, they were covered with these macas, and they had to bring like backhoes and excavators to get rid of them. Yeah. Hence the nickname or the name of the surf spot being macas. Yeah.
We were all talking about putting crazy fruit trees here and
Banana
some
trees,
coconuts and soursop or something.
breadfruit.
Anything we can get.
Yeah, anything we could get growing, right?
Loaded up.
Yeah.
And
I don't know, we're thinking... I went to this place in Portugal and saw that wicked loft kind of thing. So like one floor, very kind of like a living room, and then some steps upstairs with basically just a bed upstairs, but a little maybe loft kind of thing. I don't know, if you have good design ideas, let us know, because we're really working.
Yeah.
It's a full-on blank canvas.
Yeah, man, if you guys have any ideas, that would be awesome. Send them in, you know.
or anything you want to see, or definitely talking about chill areas, hammocks.
Yeah. Hammocks, reading areas, meditation areas.
Huge wraparound deck kind of thing.
Yeah,
you can see how close the water is, so.
Devin out there sitting down.
Yeah, we got Devin chilling. We got some neighbors, so yeah, here's that maca bush. You can see, thorny. Watch your step. Yeah, it's big, man. I don't know. I'm so not used to this size of. And yeah, the crazy thing, the Blue Mountains way back there, so you can actually see the. Well, I'll show you the drone angle, but that's Blue Mountains, right?
Yeah.
Right in the foothills, and then it's you do get the sunset down here because we're kind of facing southwest. So depending on the season, it kind of goes right down that way.
There's a whole bunch of stuff we got to figure out, and we're gonna take our time because
it's slow is smooth.
Yeah, and smooth is fast.
Smooth is fast.
It's kind of our motto, just working away here. But yeah, I don't know. I'm really stoked to team up with you, man. And
Likewise, dude, I'm so stoked that we're actually doing this. It's like a childhood dream that I've had that I'm finally being able to realize with Match, with you. So I'm so stoked that we could do this together and actually make this childhood dream of mine come true,
Yeah, and me too. I never thought in my life that I would be able to do something, on the beach, near some surf, grow some coconut tree. That's such a dream of a lot of people.
Yeah, I'm beyond fired up for this, and obviously it's gonna have its challenges too, but I don't know, just kind of all happened naturally, right?
Right?
Yeah. Well, that's the mini tour of the yard. Again, not a whole lot to see, just a lot of bush and some maca, but you'll be seeing more progress as we kind of work on this slowly but surely, and we'll keep everyone updated. And again, yeah, if you got ideas,
yep, if you guys have any ideas, we're all open for sure, man. Definitely.
Yeah, bless up and stay tuned, and eventually we'll be putting the Airbnb link below so you can stay here as well. And I'll be staying here too sometimes, but anyway, most of the time. Bless up.